Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am giving you a quick roundabout of Sony's RX 100 Mark V point-and-shoot camera. Sporting a portable design, the camera is easy to carry around and weighs just 299 grams. The compact design makes it more accessible and the grip is perfect for single-handed shooting. The control ring around the lens is fully configurable, which means you can use it for multiple functions, from zooming in or out to changing the aperture. You can also change your ISO settings from here. The camera is quick thanks to its 315-point focus. Sony claims that the camera can lock focus in just 0.05 seconds. This is a perfect budget camera for content creators and bloggers, especially because of the flip screen. The screen on the camera turns 180 degrees and you can look at yourself while shooting. Another highlight feature on the RX 100 Mark V is that you can shoot super slow motion videos with it. The camera can shoot slow motion videos all the way up to 960 FPS. The camera comes with an electronic shutter whose sound can be muted. This means that you can cover spaces like museums and lecture without disturbing anyone. There is an inbuilt Wi-Fi and NFC on the camera that can be used to share data more quickly and efficiently. So guys, this was a quick roundabout on the top features of Sony RX 100 Mark V. For more such rapid content, make sure to check out Tech Insider India. Hey guys, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today we are doing a quick overview for the Sony RX 100 Mark V point-and-shoot camera. First things first, let's start by talking about the design of RX 100 Mark V. Out and out, according to the design, the camera is easy to hold and carry around. The compact design makes it more accessible and the grip is perfect for single-handed shooting. Now it's important to talk about the display on the camera as well. The RX 100 Mark V comes with a 3-inch flip display. Now let's jump onto some features of the camera, and trust me, there are quite a few. It packs a large 1-inch backside illuminated sensor with a resolution of 20 megapixels. The sensor is comparatively bigger than most of the point-and-shoot cameras out there. The camera is quick thanks to its 315-point focal plane phase detection AF sensors. Sony claims that the camera can lock focus in just 0.05 seconds. Additionally, the camera can shoot up to 24 FPS with autofocus, tracking enabled, and that too for still photos. This camera features an electronic shutter that you can turn on and off, which means you can use it to cover museums or even live plays. Also, you can shoot super slow motion videos with the RX Mark V that can go all the way down to 960 FPS. Another highlight feature here is that the control ring around the lens is fully configurable, which means you can use it for multiple functions, from zooming in or out to changing the aperture. You can also change your ISO settings from here. You also get the flash and an electronic viewfinder hidden discreetly within the body. The camera also comes with an inbuilt Wi-Fi and NFC, which means you can share your data very quickly.
The Sony RX 100 Mark V is a compact point-and-shoot camera that's continued to be a favorite amongst a wide variety of users, be it professionals, casual shooters, or even YouTubers. If you're wondering if this camera is right for you, there are some things that make it a great choice for everybody. First, it packs a large 1-inch backside illuminated sensor with a resolution of 20 megapixels. This sensor size is bigger than what you'd find in most point-and-shoot cameras to begin with, so you automatically get better performance out of it. 2. Super fast AF thanks to 315 densely packed phase detect points. Sony claims that the camera is able to lock focus as fast as in 0.05 seconds. 3. The camera is capable of shooting at up to 24 frames per second with autofocus tracking enabled, and that's for still photos. Number 4. The Sony RX 100 Mark V is capable of completely silent operation. Just switch to the electronic shutter and turn off camera sounds for a completely silent shooting experience. This is great if you're in a play or in a quiet museum. Number 5. Don't just shoot glorious 4K videos using the RX 100 Mark V, but also super slow motion that goes all the way down to 960 FPS. Number 6. The control ring around the lens is fully configurable, allowing you to use it for any one of multiple functions, like zooming in or out, or changing the aperture, or even fiddling with the ISO. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful in making your purchase decision. Thank you for watching.